Hello there, YouTube people. I got this in the mail uh, after I emailed the person back and forth. She sent me pictures of her neon that was broken, and I told her the price and everything. So she agreed on to make a new section. And this is what she sent me. This is a picture of the section that I need to make. It's a Michelob section, and this is the drawing that she sent me. I told her to trace it on paper, and this is it. So the next step is to start bending the glass. This is another job that I'm going to do. I'm just waiting for the glass. These are the broken pieces. Um, the client did the pattern. He brought me the pattern. So this is another job that I'm going to do after I do this one. So the first question when you start bending is, where do you start on the pattern? You should have here. Where do you start? You have to study the pattern before you start. So you start at the most convenient place. You can start here if it's convenient, or you can start in the middle, or you can start over here. But it doesn't have to be, like a continuous bending from left to right or from right to left. It could be centered to the left and centered to the right. In other words, you pick how it makes it easier for you. So in this case, I'm going to start from the B.